Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Miss Monkey Milk. Yes, Miss Monkey Milk is a new character I created, but her name is the definition of beauty right now. Because she is the definition of beauty. I mean, just look at me. I'm so beautiful. I have beautiful, shiny, smooth legs. Yeah, but this is a Miss Monkey Milk's backstory. So, she was just once a normal lady, and then she went to a zoo, and then she fell downstairs, and then she turned into an ape lady, I guess. But today's video is going to be different. We're not going to be trading. We are going to be trolling. Okay, yeah. We're going to be trolling in Fantasia Hotel or Royal High School. I think the Royal High School would be the best place because like there's a lot of dating in the Fantasia Resort Getaway. So like yeah. And I was watching It's Sienna, I think earlier today, and I saw that they're gonna be having like a realm where you could like meet Royal High like celebs and everything. That sounds really cool. And I definitely want to be there when it, like the realm comes out and everything. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. But let's get trolling it, girlies. Can't run because my cheerleaders are so smooth. What is this music? I'm just gonna be like, hey girlies, come back, come back, come back. So pretty. I'm so pretty. Don't you guys think I'm pretty? Comment down below what you think about Miss Monkey Milk. Okay, that teehee was kind of fake, but don't be shy. I'm just gonna be like, no, please, I'm nice. I'm so nice. Okay, like, I'm pretty though. This girl's a bully. People like this. Skirt. Oh! That probably would have caused a humongous earthquake and a humongous tsunami. Teehee. I'm like, tags. Tags. Wait, does this say mom? This is literally a cow that says a mom. That is not okay. That is not. No, come back. I'm just gonna be like, hey. I'm gonna be like, I ate your mom. I ate your dad. No, no, no. It's probably gonna be that red girl. Oh, yeah. This is a good sign of me. Okay, yeah, here it is. I need to delete some outfits. Please be my friend. I'm just gonna be like, my dad was shot, not you. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. Well, I feel really bad for her right now, so I'm just like, can we still be friends? Can we still be friends? Because I am the most beautifulest thing in this world. I mean, like, look at this cuff. Like, Wait, it's fine, but may I ask what you are? Yes. Like, yes. I'm Miss Monkey Milk. I'm a Miss... Oh, Monkey. Monkey. I'm Miss Monkey Milk. Yes, Miss Monkey Milk is going to be a new character you guys will be seeing on my channel because, you know, she's Miss Monkey Milk. Teehee. Okay, so yeah, let's just go try and break into, like, you know, different people's places because that's what Miss Monkey Milks do. They're big apes and they like to go, like, you know, let's go find a boy. Hello. Wow. I'm just like, hi. Can I be your friend? Your friend. Yeah, guys, so this video will show you my weird side of me. Even though I'm like already normally weird, like I'm still weird because that's just me. No one responding. Am I too ugly? Like, am I too ugly? Like, am I too ugly? I mean, I like your outfit. Your outfit's really pretty, so you should be my friend. Wait. Oh my gosh. Snacks plus drinks 24/7. No. Well, since nobody wants to be my friend, I'm gonna go cry in the pool. Let's go. Let me just find a little bit. So, yeah, guys, if you didn't know, I'm like a really slow farmer because, like, even though I got this flying pass like a month ago, I'm still like really slow with it. But we need to get back to the trolling video. Wow, who is this? Wow, Ellie Charles. Hi, Ellie. Like, Ellie, be my friend. Be my friend. If she says no, I'm gonna cry because that's sad. You know what? Let's change this up a bit. We need to be the one and only most prettiest. Yes, we need this ballroom entrance girl. Yes, yes. Let's go to Queen. Oh my gosh. Yes, here. Okay, the new improved Miss Monkey Milk. I'm like, hi, hi. The Queen has arrived. The Queen has arrived. I mean, look at my beautiful skirt. And like, even though you can't see my chicken legs anymore. Uh-oh. Someone gonna say something about me. Yeah, the Queen of Ugly. Sis, I didn't ask for your name. Jeez. Jeez. Nobody likes me. They call me ugly. Like, no, my name is Miss Monkey Milk. Oh my gosh. My name is Miss Monkey Milk. Ooh! I had no idea what that was. Am I supposed to be running? Because I run like really slow. You are such a rude girl. I hope a bird poops on you. Take that. No, your name is Queen of Ugly. No, that's yours, honey. Oh my gosh. Oh! Ah! Okay, as you just witnessed the most terrifying thing ever, you saw Miss Monkey Milk fall down the stairs. That should be on the news right there. Since I'm like really sad right now, everybody's being rude to me. No, my name is Ashley, so yeah. Okay, whatever. Since everybody's being so mean to me, I think I might have to end the video here, people. Because Miss Monkey Milk is being bullied. Just remember, guys, your mom loves you. Yes, your mom. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this like a big thumbs up. You don't have to go. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment and subscribe to my dying channel. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in my next weird trading or trolling video, I guess. But thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.